It's Saturday morning, and we are headed out into the Anclote River. This is where we come out of, right here. And this is a dock here for all the commercial fishing boats. This is nice, really high tide. And this is how we navigate into the Anclote River, which is always teeming with fish. But we're going to go off the north side of Anclote Island, about a mile or two out. And I hear that the grunts are really biting in 15 to 20 feet of water. So that's our mission today, grunts. Well, we bought some frozen squid. It was cheaper to buy it by the pound frozen than cut up already. We got some nice stainless steel bait snip so you don't have to ruin your good kitchen scissors. All right, Amy's got something on. Okay, let's just see what comes up.
Okay, here you go. You want to try?
It's okay, just let's let him take it. Just don't hoist. Don't let him pull it out.
Pull it.
Just let him pull it out. It's okay. Yeah, just a little bit. Go ahead. Go ahead. Just go forward and go to the left of him and go straight a little bit. I'm gonna follow this joker. Maybe we can get it to come to the surface. I don't know. Yeah. Just stay like that. I want to see what he is. I want to see what it is. Who knows? All right. Go this way. Yeah, he's a big boy, whatever he is. It's all right. Yeah, he's got some shoulders.
What is this?
What is this behemoth? We may not see him. If I force it too hard, he's going to lose. He's going to snap the line. Let him pull on the tension. He's going to slow down. Swing, look. Go this direction. Swing wide to the left. It's okay. Let him pull it. It's all right. Give it a little gas, honey. Swing wide. Go this direction. Follow my hand. Yep. Yep. That's it. All right. I remember fishing for tarpon. When he stopped moving, no force could move him. No, he came loose. Came loose.
You did?
Yeah. Came loose. Holy mackerel. That was a ride, boys and girls. Little 1/0 hook didn't get pulled apart with a 2-ounce sinker, but you never know what you're going to hook into. Good job, Aim. All right, Aim's got a hook up. Look at that. Nice. Nice grunt. Very good, hon.
You like that?
Yes.
All right.
All right, let's see if we can get the hook out of the mouth.
Yeah, you want to try?
All right, Aim, she's got a good one. Let's see.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's a bigger grunt. Way to go. Oh, yeah, that's a good grunt. Oh, yeah.
I think I'm beating you today.
Yes, you are. Way to go. Way to go. Look at that.
What is his name?
Yeah, he's going in the live well.
He's sweet when they do.
Yeah, hook, line, and sinker. Yank it out. We're eating him. There you go. There you go. See the hook hanging out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that, orange mouths. It's unbelievable. Don't lose them now. This is one.
Yes.
I don't know, but he didn't even hit bottom. But he, oh, nice. Boy, he slammed it, this little guy. And he's not even as big as yours. Look at this. Yeah, I thought a net. Yeah. Well, these are good sizes. But look at that mouth, guys. Only a mouth a mother would love. We're on our way home, trying to beat that storm. The end of another wonderful day. Well, hun.
So everybody, we had a good day. We caught a bunch of fish out there, not big fish, but we still had a really good time. When that shark hit my line at Charlie's, we had a really good time doing that, so it was worth it coming out here today. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Fisha. Thanks for coming out with us today. So I'm cleaning the boat. We had a bunch of squid juices on there, and we had to clean it all up. Get in the boat here. So we want to give it a really good clean because once the sun
And
touches
some industrial purple power.
once the sun hits it, it dries up.
Oh, yeah.
Right now we gotta clean the boat. Just something you have to do when you go out.
Well, we gave it a quick cleaning.
Saw your picture.
And this is the way it's supposed to look. Ready for the next fishing trip. We'll do an ultra clean when we park it for the season, which is never. But end of a good day, got grunts, and we did good. She is ready to roll. Ready to roll to the next adventure. And thank you for watching. Hope you guys subscribe and keep the likes coming in.